Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to disable Cloudflare for your domain, which is helpful if you need to troubleshoot issues or make major backend changes without Cloudflare interfering. First, open your browser and go to dash.cloudflare.com. Log into your account and you'll see a list of all your domains on the dashboard. Select the domain where you want to disable Cloudflare. This will open the settings page for that domain. Scroll down and look for the option called Pause Cloudflare on site. Click it to temporarily disable Cloudflare services for that domain. This will bypass Cloudflare's security, caching, and performance features, so be aware your site might load slower and be less protected during this time. When you're done making changes or troubleshooting, go back and click Enable Cloudflare on site to reactivate the service. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Cloudflare for your domain. Thanks for watching. Make sure to re-enable Cloudflare when you're ready to get your site's protection and speed boost back.